Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. So excited to show you guys this holiday transformation, literally how I get from this to this. Today's sponsor is Bellami. If you know, you know. I love me some Bellami. We're doing a full holiday glow up. I'm talking makeup, hair of course, and we're gonna get dressed. So grab a drink, get cozy, and let's get glam. Wow guys, it's officially that time of year. I can't even believe it. We're getting ready for a Friendsgiving party. I'm so excited. I don't know about you, but this is my favorite time of year. Like, I just love me a good time with the people I love. I did already do my base and my brows. Let's finish up this makeup. For this makeup, I'm thinking very holiday glam. So you know that means glowy, that means sparkles, but also I don't want to do too much because I want the hair to be the star of the show. For eyes, I'm going in with this dark brown and just blending that out because I really want to add a little sparkly shadow to the eyes to give that holiday vibe, and I wanted to make it a bit more dramatic, so I did my signature winged liner. I feel like it gives such a baby doll look with my lash extension. Just want to look a little bit more dramatic because why not? Then I went in with my blush, my concealer, some powder, and finished that off with a nude lip combo and setting spray. Okay, makeup is done. What do we think? I think it's definitely giving holiday. Now that the makeup's done, you guys know what time it is. Let's get into this hair. I did already wash my hair. It just needs a little bit of a refresh. But let's get into the star of the show, the Bellami Silk Seam Textured Hair Clip-Ins. I feel like it was always such a struggle for me to find good quality hair clip-ins, especially with my hair texture, until I found Bellami. I'm using the 3A Spiral Curl 16-inch clip-ins in the shade Dark Brown-Ash Brown Ombre. When I tell you I've been obsessed with these clip-ins, they really elevate any look. I wash them and style them exactly like my own hair, guys, and they always come out looking brand new. I just washed them the day before. I've actually had these extensions since like April or May, so over 6 months now, and look how good they still look. They look healthy, shiny, and still full. I just part my hair in sections and apply them like so. The clips make it so easy to install, and I love that they made these in so many colors, curl patterns, and lengths, so it just makes it easy to find your perfect match. And you can just tell as I'm adding them in how seamlessly they start blending into my hair. It's insane. I like to separate any curls or run my hands through them just to give them that lived-in blend. Sometimes I do skip it, but this step makes everything look even more seamless. I am going to add a little bit of gel for some extra hold, and I am going to diffuse as well so the clip-ins can melt into my natural curls. These are 100% Remy hair. You can style them exactly like you would your own hair. To diffuse, I'm using the Bellami Ion Air Digital Blow Dryer. Guys, this blow dryer weighs nothing. It's so lightweight. It's meant to reduce drying time and minimize damage, and since my hair was a little bit damp from refreshing my hair and because I used the gel, this was perfect. It really got it dry in no time. Tell me this isn't my hair. Are you kidding? Every time I put these extensions on, I'm shocked by how good they look. It just looks so flawless, like literally looks like it's my hair. I don't know, when I think about the holidays, I think about big hair, I think about glowy, sparkly looks. I feel like this look is giving right now. Let me get changed and we'll be back with the final look. Okay, we are back and here is the final look. Guys, I feel absolutely gorgeous. Like the hair, it's the star of the show. I love how quick and easy this was and so stress-free. At this point, I feel like every natural hair girly needs to get their hands on these extensions. They just give your hair that extra oomph, you know what I mean? I'm just obsessed with the blend, especially as a girl who has a lot of layers. Just look at this blend. It looks so good. Of course, I have to let you guys know that Bellami is having their Black Friday sale. From November 24th to the 27th, they're having a pre-sale of 25% off. And then from November 28th to the 30th, they're doing 25% off plus 2-day free shipping. If you've been wanting to check out some great quality curly hair extensions, this is the perfect time. The perfect time to go treat yourself, a family member, a friend. I'll have my personal promo code in the description below so you can save, but girl, run before they're gone. But let me get going because I'm already running late. Thank you again to Bellami for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys have a great day and make good choices. Bye.